Honestly, I wasn't in the mood for a proper meal today. I just wanted something soft, sweet, and comforting, so I decided to make pancakes. Or you can call it diet, okay? There is something about homemade pancakes that feels relaxing, especially on a slow day like this. Not too stressful, not too complicated, just simple ingredients coming together perfectly. As I mix everything together, I already knew my kitchen was about to smell amazing. Here I added milk. I've already mixed it with water. Thereafter, I break my eggs and pour it inside. Then mix everything together. Added pepper, onions, because that's how I want my pancake to taste. You can still not add all those things. It's your choice anyway. So I mix everything together. I pour in some water in order to loosen up the banter. So I mix until I get my desired consistency. Keep watching. This right here is how I want it to be. So I proceed to heat my pan, pour in a little oil, then I pour the banter in order for it to fry. Look at this texture. Isn't this amazing? This is already looking so good. And trust me, the first tip is always the moment of truth. Golden, fluffy, and warm. Exactly what I was craving. Sometimes you don't need a big meal to feel satisfied. A state of pancakes can do the job just fine. Tell me why homemade pancakes always look different